right into it out of the ditch. Okay. Oh, just solid snow. Now would be a good time to take cell phone videos out of the windows. Oh god, we're definitely gonna die. Move up there. There's barely our tire tracks. Oh, there they are. Oh, no. Nope, no, no, not the death. No. I'm thinking alive, Red. I have my Caitlin's. Even if she's broken every morning and every night when we set up and tear down camp. Ah, no, not the ditch! No, bad. Ditches get stitches, motherfucker. Yeah, what up now? Look at how pretty death is. Might have went a little bit low on the cliff side on that one. No. No. Stop doing whatever you want. Appease the car gods. Appease the car gods. Seatbelt.
I have.
Oh. I don't. Jesus, take the wheel. Not that wheel, Jesus. You don't remember that means?
Huh?
It's the car going down the highway and the tire is passing the car on the road. And it says, Jesus, take the wheel. No, not that wheel. It's ha-ha funny.
Mm-hmm.
This is it. There's mountains over there, but you can't see them because all you can see is this goddamn death. White death.
You're very close to this side.
Oh. It's okay. I turned on the computer. We won't die now. We just let the computer take the wheel. Computers never killed anybody. Fuck you, ladybug. Stupid nature. Ooh. I don't know why it's pretty when it's all burnt down and broken stuff. But it's still so pretty. Shouldn't it be like, oh, it's sad or something? Instead of, oh, it's so pretty. Fine, don't answer me. Yep, gosh. Caitlin, are you a deaf mute?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay. Good.
Pretty cool. Because I had no control.
It's less death snow now. And more like just pretty snow.
You look at the edge of the cliff.
No, I'm looking at the pretty trees! I'm also looking at pretty trees! How about now? Now can I look at the pretty trees?
Please,
Yeah, I'm gonna get it!
How are we gonna get the fucking cliff thing?
Ta-da! We didn't die.
God.
I didn't die. I didn't die. Neener, neener, neener pants. Stupid, pretty bullshit. Can't even look at it. Girlfriend's all mad. I'm gonna drive up a cliff. Dumb. I'm gonna ram him. I'm gonna ram him. Ah, this is a fucking turd. Turd hawk. Ah, ah. Is there a chapstick right around or a lizard? Oh, yeah, there's probably one deep in here, right here. I got it. Mushroom. The mushroom rock was not anywhere near snow yesterday.